All right, folks, number 4 deals with the instantaneous rate of change at a specific time. Okay, and it specifically gives you different instructions. Okay, it says choose two x values that are very close together. So what you can do is use the x value they give you, and then you get to choose the second x value just barely a little bit away from the first number they give you. Okay, if the test did not say these specific instructions, remember instantaneous rate of change is a word for finding the derivative. So you could find the derivative of this first one just using your power rules and then substitute in -2 to get that -44 that you see here. The reason they gave you this instruction is because the second part is not so easily found the old-fashioned way with the derivative. So what we're going to do is use our slope function again using two numbers close together. So I've had this table already set up here, but just like the last video, what you can do on any calculator is put your function in and use your table to set up this for you so you can speed up the process just a little bit. If you want to substitute by hand in for your x, that's fine too. Okay, but with your table here, the two numbers I chose were -2, again the one that they gave me, and then something really close. So what I do is just put 3 zeros and a 1. Okay, that makes it just barely beside that -2. And then we're subtracting those numbers, dividing by the difference, just our slope formula, and simplifying. Okay, so that's that -44. The second piece, because it's kind of a weird expression here, x to the x, okay, this one is not necessarily a nice value because if we think about taking to a power, where that power is a decimal, it doesn't really work out nicely for us. Okay, so you'll see that expression 2.0001. It's got this weird decimal attached to it, but process is the same. You're subtracting them. And I specifically did these in different orders to show you it doesn't matter which value is your A and which value is your B in terms of the two x values you choose, as long as you go in the same order. So I went the 33 first, which means I have to write the -2 first. Similarly down here, I switched the order. Okay, I use this 4 and change number, so I just want to make sure that I'm using the 2.0001 first as well to stay consistent. And you can see that that number was rounded, okay, but as long as you're choosing close enough values together, you shouldn't have any issues. My math lab will tell you exactly what I want you to round to.